I'm Kenny and today I'm talking cladding. We've put together a series of short videos that will help you to DIY your own Colorbond cladding. Yes, finally a DIY for Colorbond cladding. You can see behind me, I've got a wall. It doesn't look very pretty. Here it is. It's a weatherboard, and I don't like it anymore. What I've done here, I've taken this window and I've dropped the window down, and now the cladding's sitting there looking really ugly. And so I need to improve that. And it's weatherboard, it's not Colorbond. I love Colorbond. So I'm going to go through over a bunch of little videos on how to make this happen for you. In this video, I'm going to go through with you the process of what you need to do to get started. First thing you want to do is you want to look at the design of your home. The design of your home, it might have brick, it might have weatherboard, it may have a whole lot of different things, and it might be a type of character home. So you want to make sure whatever you're going to do is going to enhance the look of your home rather than be a standout sore thumb, you know? So you might like this standing seam monument matte dark colour that you see everywhere, but is it going to suit your home? Well, that's what you need to kind of look at. So go for a drive and have a look at other houses similar to yours that have been renovated. Get on the websites, Google, get on a bunch of different ones and see what will look and what will suit. Otherwise, what you can do is just send the photos through to me and say, well, and that's part of the next process. You want to make sure that whatever you're going to put on your home is going to add value to your home and not detract from it. You want it to make it look really good. So that's something that is important that you really need to think about. So in choosing the profile for your home, that's really important, along with budget. So first thing you want to do is take some photos of the wall from different angles so that you can show what is surrounding that area. So you can see what other things in your yard, parts of the house, what type of roof you have. These all make up for me to be able to give you advice, and all these things need to be, I need to see them so I can see what really will suit. Next thing you want to do is measure up your wall. So you're going to take a tape measure, you're going to measure from that point over to this point, and from the bottom to the top, to the highest point, and you're going to draw a plan so that we can get an estimate value of how much material is going to be needed. And if you've got a window, you can measure from the ground here up to there, from the top here to the very top up here. And this one's got a little bit of a challenge up the top here. We've got to cut around here. So you just want to measure from the bottom all the way to the highest point. Then on here, from the bottom up to that point as well. Then what you want to do is you want to send that through to us here at MyCladders, and we will give you a cost estimate on a few different profiles that you've chosen that you like. So it could be a standing seam, a corrugated iron, a trim deck, clip lock, you could have like a Lysart long line. Lots of different profiles that you could choose from, and once you've chosen, once we've had a look and seen what suits your home, we can give you a cost estimate based on those there and the measurements that you've got. The next step forward from that is that you go, okay, well that's what I want, that fits my budget, and then you send we send you a quote, you send us an order, and we proceed from that point. But at each stage of that, MyCladders helps you measure up and draw up and get the exact measurements and materials to suit and give you a really classy finish. Well, that's the process from start to finish of what you need to get to work out what the price is going to be, and in the following videos you'll be able to see what needs to be done and the work that needs to be done to make it all happen.
So I hope you like what you see on these videos and the shots, and if there's any questions you have about it, reach out to us at MyCladders. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, do all those things that you're meant to do, or that's what I hear that on all the other videos, so maybe that's what you're going to just whack bang that subscribe button.